Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to plant water iris. These stunning aquatic plants can add a touch of elegance to any water feature, whether it's a pond or a container garden. They are surprisingly easy to grow once you understand their basic needs. We'll cover everything from choosing the right location and container to the actual planting process and ongoing care. Get ready to transform your water garden with these vibrant and resilient flowers. Let's dive in and learn how to give your water irises the best start. First, let's talk about where to place your water iris and what kind of pot to use. Water irises absolutely love the sun, so aim for a spot that gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. For containers, select a sturdy aquatic plant pot, ideally one that's wide and shallow, with drainage holes. The size of the pot should accommodate the mature size of your specific iris variety. A good rule of thumb is a pot that's at least 10 to 12 inches in diameter for most types. This preparation sets the stage for healthy growth. Now for the planting itself. You'll want to use heavy garden soil, not a lightweight potting mix, as potting mix will float away in water. Fill your chosen container about 2/3 full with this heavy soil. Next, place the iris rhizome horizontally on top of the soil, ensuring the top of the rhizome is just barely exposed above the soil line. Gently press it down. Finally, add a layer of small gravel or pea pebbles over the soil. This helps to anchor the soil and prevent it from washing out when submerged, keeping everything neat and tidy. With your iris planted, it's time to introduce it to its watery home. Carefully lower the potted iris into your pond or water feature. The water level should be just above the soil line, covering the gravel by about 1 to 2 inches. Ensure your plant continues to receive plenty of sunlight. Water irises are generally low maintenance, but remember to divide them every 2 to 3 years to prevent overcrowding and encourage vigorous blooming. With these simple steps, your water irises will flourish and bring beauty to your garden for many seasons to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.